Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. Tip number 3. If you are coding within the ABAP, then you might come across different statements that maybe you are not aware of and that you don't know what this statement, what this keyword basically does. In the previous tip 2, there I've shown you how you can call the ABAP documentation out of the SAP GUI. But there's also a nice way how you can explore and get the explanation of a keyword directly out of the SAP GUI. And it's quite easy, therefore you just have to click on a word, so you have to focus this word, and then you have to hit the F1 key on your keyboard. If you hit the F1 key on your keyboard, then you will directly end up in the explanation of an ABAP keyword. So you can see the syntax, you can see the description, and most probably at the bottom there you will see also an example how you can use this within the ABAP coding. Of course, as the ABAP keyword documentation is already opened up, you can switch to other articles. You can also within here enter another keyword if you want to. Within the toolbar you can also open up other references if you want to, but hitting the F1 key for keywords that you don't know is useful and gives you an explanation that you need. So if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please do not forget to subscribe, because there will be 97 more videos about ABAP tips and tricks. So stay tuned.